Hey friends, if you wish to fix Logitech camera not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select camera. Turn on camera access and then turn on the application for which you wish to use the camera. Okay, now this is one thing, but other than this, Logitech camera is definitely not your own system's camera because Logitech does not make computers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list of cameras and update all the camera drivers. Once this is done, you have to make sure that the physical connections are good enough. If it is a USB camera, make sure that it is connected well. Okay, so make sure about the physical connections. This is all you can do from your end. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.